How to create a group chat on WeChat on mobile. Step 1. Open WeChat. It's a green app with 2 white speech bubbles. If you're already logged into WeChat, doing so will take you to the last tab you had open. Step 2. Tap Chats. This is a speech bubble icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. On Android, you'll tap WeChat in the bottom left corner of the screen. Step 3. Tap. It's in the top right corner of the screen. Step 4. Tap New Chat. This option is at the top of the drop-down menu. Step 5. Tap at least 2 contacts' names. You'll do so in the contacts area near the bottom of the screen and down. Step 6. Tap OK. This will create your group chat. Anytime one of you messages the group, everyone else in the chat will receive a notification. Step 7. Add a contact to an existing chat. If you want to add a contact to an existing chat, do the following. Select the chat to which you want to add the contact. Tap the person-shaped icon, iPhone, or midline horizontal ellipsis, Android, in the top right corner of the screen. Tap. Select one or more contacts, then tap OK in the top right corner of the screen. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.